abomination. My prince, what are you doing?
Are you blind? What does it look like I'm doing? Well, in case you are, I'm just here testing out my future throne. You know, rehearsing how to rule my people, how to execute orders, and how to, change the system.
It's a taboo. It is not done. No one is allowed to sit on the throne as long as the king is alive. What you've just done will bring misfortune on the kingdom if it is not cleansed.
Well, I am not after all these useless traditions. I cannot wait to assume the office of the king. Once that is done, you see me changing so many things, starting with the stupid ass tradition, telling me it's not supposed, it's a taboo, it's bullshit. Okay, wait till I become the king, and I'm going to change so many things, starting with maybe you.
What is going on here?
Nothing much, Father. I'm just taking a chew pill, trying not to be up in the hill, rehearsing how to rule my people when you're gone. Because very soon, my father will be no more. And to be left for me to govern my people, starting with, how to establish your crown.
Kamdi, what is wrong with you?
Talk.
About what? Why must you always want to talk? So this resting I am having a little peace of mind here now is paining you that you want to talk. Kings do not talk. Kings act. You are a king, for crying out loud. Stop talking. What is it you want to talk about?
About us. We need to talk about our son.
Omeren, what is it you want to talk about him for?
We have to handle him. We have to handle him before he completely goes out of hand.
Did you say handled? Look at your face. Why do you talk about my son as if he's a curse? He should be handled. Really, Ebedike? It's because of my son you squeezed your face like that so wickedly to talk about him in that manner. My son is living his age. He's a young man. You cannot live your life. I want to live someone else's life.
Ugegbe.
Ugegbe what?
Is that all you have to say?
Give me a machete. Let me go and cut off his head so that you have peace and wear that your cap properly. Excuse me. You don't have one. Can't even go with your life.
When he completely goes out of hand, do not blame anybody but you.
Come on, turn your bum. Turn your bum. You are very stupid. Turn your bum, come on. What's it again? Stop. What is the problem? Who brought these fools into this house? If I'm afraid, shut up and not ask me.
Why are you punishing them?
Who brought these fools into this house? That's what I want to know. Who brought them in here?
Come here. Why are you punishing them? What did they do?
Can you imagine these fools? Yesterday night they served my dinner late. Today again. Take your time. I haven't had breakfast. They're yet to serve my breakfast. How brazen! Are you even mad? Is this how you're supposed to serve your husband?
But you're not their husband. They are maids. They're not your wife.
No, we need to teach them the lesson. They need to understand that home should not be run like that.
Take it easy on these girls. They are girls. Don't have to flog them like that. You'll enjoy them. Get no animal.
You have to come.
Mother, you're quiet. Mother, you're not going to say anything.
Haven't I been talking?
No! You're just going to let him go after treating those girls like that? Sandy!
Can you calm down? Can you two calm down? I just ordered him and you are like, I didn't say it, I don't say it.
Go back. Oh no. Oh no, is this what is delaying you? Oh no, you shouldn't have bothered with cola nuts. I'm not a stranger in your house. I'm not really if I hear me.
Obaka, you know me. That there is no way I will be discussing anything with you here with empty mouth.
That's no problem. Let me not offend you. But honestly, I'm afraid of what the future holds for this village.
How do you mean?
It's about our prince, the future king of this village, when the father is no more.
Wait, what about him? Wait, what has he done?
You're asking me what he has done. He has done virtually everything wrong. As a matter of fact, no, I couldn't believe what my eyes saw yesterday when I went to the palace to see the king. I saw the young man comfortably seated on the throne.
Huh? Alo.
Hey,
Obaka, this is serious abomination.
Exactly what I said.
So what did the father say?
What could he say? Huh? The young man, he walked out on me and his father, the king.
Amba.
And both of us, we became speechless.
Unacceptable. This is unacceptable. In fact, completely an abomination in our land here. You know what? I'll have to go with you now to the palace to see the king. Yeah? Come. Just give me some few minutes. Let me go in there and put on something better than this so that we'll go to the palace and see the king. Now.
Yeah, it's better do. It is said that a stitch in time saves 9. Let us handle this issue right away before it gets out of hand.
Egypt, well, amen, hi!
I want you all to make sure he does not eat late again.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Serve it as at when due.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I don't want to hear one single complaint again about you.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You can go.
Okay, are you not ashamed of yourself as a mother of that wicked and wayward prince? Are you going to tell me that you have not heard of the news circulating like wildfire?
At your age, are you not ashamed of yourself to be listening to gossips and idle talk at this your age? I thought you were more sensible than this. Have little sense. Age is not sense.
Ugegbe, shut your dirty mouth up. How dare you insult me? Are you okay? Are you insulting me, Ugegbe?
Oh, your reign is over. You should be, in fact, you're retired.
Ugegbe, are you insulting me?
If she insults you, what will you do? What will you do now? Huh?
Answer now, what will you do?
I can see that your mother has spoiled you to the extent that you do not know the difference between ages. So how do I expect you to have regard for elders?
This old woman's one Iyke. Try and be resting. You will soon die. All you need is to at least this small years remaining for you. Live it happily and stop making noise in the palace.
Simple.
Stop complaining. What's all this? Your time has come and it's gone as a matter of fact. Why are you disturbing my mom? Huh? Why are you disturbing my mom? I'm asking you. Old witch.
What do you mean about that?
I don't have your time. Mom, please come. I want to show you something.
Oh, no.
After ranting or packing, you can just go. You know that you're old. Huh? You should be talking about it.
It's good. Everybody should have his or her own children. Go mind your own. Hi! God of my ancestors. Will you just fold your arms and allow this rat rule over this kingdom?
Mother, please. Don't take this matter to heart. I beg of you. I beg you.
I will speak to my son about this. This nonsense will not happen again. No, I will not.
I'm sorry,
Never.
Mother.
I will not.
What is wrong with that stupid boy?
Beast in human clothing, he's full of pride. Beware of him. He's a beast in human clothing, no conscience at all. Beware of who he is. He's a beast in human clothing, so full of pride.
Hey, young girl. The prince demands your presence now.
I'm sorry, I can't. I'm in a hurry.
Is something wrong with you? I said the prince wants to see you now.
Is it by force? I said I'm in a hurry, I can't see him.
What's going on?
She's proving stubborn.
Proving stubborn? Hey, young lady, do you know who I am?
No, I can't see you, I'm sorry.
You're not coming.
Yes.
Are you aware you're talking to the prince of this land?
If you want to see me, come to my father's house and see me.
I see you anywhere I want to see you. Guards.
He's arrogant, so selfish, without respect. Wonder what he feels, wonder what he thinks. Tomorrow is bigger than what you think. He's a beast in human clothing. He's full of pride. Beware of him. He's a beast in human clothing. No conscience at all. Beware of him. He's a beast.
Adora! Adora! Adora!
Mama Afana, this way just they shout my name like say I go Jericho when I dey backyard. Now waiting they happen.
How far? How far?
Afana.
Adora.
Ma?
Me? How far? So, Adora, what were you doing at the backyard?
Oh, I just they arrange some of my personal things. Imagon boxers, all those things.
Yeah? Adora, Biko, whatever you are doing there is not my business. Biko, go to the farm and bring back my son, Iyke. Tomorrow he can continue.
Mama, you're the one spoiling this boy. Yes. Allow the boy that like going to the farm to go and walk. Mba, you will not allow him. Me, I don't like farm walk. You will not say I should go to the farm. Ha! Mama, stop it, oh.
Adora, shut your dirty mouth. Lazy thing. Adora, because go to the farm and bring back my son. Let him come and eat and rest. Period.
Eat?
Yes.
Ha! Mama, I've not eaten, no.
Hey, if you like, eat. If you like, don't eat.
Mama, this thing you're doing is not fair. Sometimes.
Adora, go and bring back my son. Get out.
Ha. Mama, sometimes I just wonder whether you there on colos. But no problem. Mama, where you gotta drop you? You know, Mama, don't that. You know, do something. No, I can't tell.
Hey!
crying? Now waiting they happen. Now who beats you? Ada, they talk to you, my friend. Make you talk to me. Now why you just want waka pass like that? Now why they cry now? Is who? Ada, make you the cap now. Why you can't they keep quiet? They do like small picking.
It's the prince.
That boy. What did that boy do you? Ada, talk to me now. What did that boy do you?
I can't say.
You can't say. That boy. I go show that boy. That boy one kolo. Metia, Ntiche and where na otwada so ora English. You want to go? Ma we na mwabo adora. Nga we there TV onene. I've been about his arrogancy to our people and the way he has been maltreating our people, especially our girls. But don't worry. Nga tiere Z word. We put in an slow motion. You want to go? Idiot. Don't worry. Ada.
So selfish without respect. Wonder what he feels, wonder what he thinks. Tomorrow is bigger than what you think. He's a beast in human clothing.
Stop that. The prince wants to see you now. What have I done? Come if you make that. The prince wants to see you.
They told you I want to see you and you're asking them what have you done. Are you questioning my order?
I don't understand. Any problem, my king?
You're still asking me if there's a problem. Guards.
My prince.
Do the needful.
Come on, put that.
Tomorrow is bigger than what you think. He's a beast in human clothing. He's full of pride. Beware of him. He's a beast in human clothing. No conscience at all. Beware of who he is. He's a beast in human clothing.
Come here. My friend, come back here.
Wait, am I too small now that you couldn't notice the prince of this land?
We are sorry, my prince. Good afternoon, sir.
Thunder fire you and your useless generation for not bowing down to greet me.
Good afternoon, my prince.
Are you mad?
And you're watching. Come on. Bring that ball. Come on, go down. Are you mad? Are you realize you're talking to the prince?
Come here. Bring him here.
Come on, move. Go down.
So, who is your father?
Late Chinedu.
Late Chinedu. Oh, your father just so lucky that he's late. He just saved himself from an agony, eternal pain. But nevertheless, handle him.
Come on.
Umuaka. What is holding them? Adora. I hope she didn't go somewhere else. Instead of Ebe Nzilie. Hi.
Mama!
Okay,
Small. Sorry. No say the man you did. No problem. Sorry. Man you be. Man to man. Man are talking. Sorry. Yeah? Ndo. Sorry. Ndo, why you?
Anozie. Why? Adora. Okay, what happened?
See, Mama, I dey vex. See, Mama. Hey!
Who did this to you? What happened?
That useless prince, oh! You see that useless prince, oh, Chako Maka? Eh? To say you look at Monsu. It's that prince that did this thing. He's the person that did this thing to my brother. Hey! No. He did this to my brother.
What did he do to you?
Nothing. He did not do anything to him. He sent his men, his guards to beat my brother up. In the grace. Show you what I mean. In the mad. He won't make a change for him. In the grace. Ha! Hi. I the verse. Mama, see. I go find that guy. You see that guy? You see that prince? I go show. He go see. I go give her. You go hear her. Adora. Which kind of nonsense is that? Mama, see, I want you. Leave me alone. Mama, you just so which can be this now? Hey!
Adora.
Mama, leave me.
Adora, come inside.
Leave me, Mama, leave me alone. Just rap my car.
Hey. Adora.
I go show him. See, Mama, yenge nyabo opirapi. Like pichayo ta nyawo dowai 7 apples. O man afa badora. Oyi beribe. Idiot. Ana wogi prince neko. Fuga. Okwaya nga gwage. Don't worry. I will show you. Mama Abaga. Leave me.
Let your father come back first.
Okay, no problem. I will wait for Papa to come back. Let him come back. Let him not say anything. Then you will see me. You will see me in action.
Because till then,
Mama, leave me.
Come inside now.
Leave me. Amaka, this is where I want to be.
Adora. Ha.
Young lady, stop crying and tell us what your problem is.
Your Majesty, I've come to seek for your intervention. I am an orphan and this is my only brother. Just look at his face. He said the prince did this to him.
Did you ask your brother what he did to the prince to attract such punishment?
He didn't have to do anything. Yes, the prince does not have rights to beat him or order anybody to beat him. He doesn't have the right whatsoever. Get the prince. It is becoming unbecoming.
Your Highness.
Yes, the prince is not yet back from his training.
Young lady, I'm very sorry for what happened. I will look into the matter and know exactly what happened, okay? Take your brother to the pharmacy. I'll take care of the treatment, right?
Thank you so much, Your Majesty. May God reward you. Let's go.
Your Highness, I think you shouldn't bother yourself about this woman's talk. Everyone knows you as a soft-hearted king and will want to take advantage of it.
What do you mean by that? Huh? Also, what do you mean by that? I'm asking you. You mean the lady will just concoct lies against the prince? Is that what you are telling us?
Your Highness, warn him.
It is enough. I will handle the prince myself.
Better do, Your Highness. But please don't mind him. That is the way also like nosing into matters that doesn't concern him.
I'm seeing that illiteracy is becoming too much. That's why go to adult education so that you'll be a learned man like I.
When I said
allow me to deal with him.
You want to challenge me?
You want to challenge me?
You want to challenge me?